everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine & Country on Exmoor, and welcome to Winstitchen. This beautiful home offers endless possibilities, whether you're seeking an income potential or equestrian pursuits. So please follow me to find out more. Winstitchen is situated on the edge of the village of Simonsbath and has access to some of the most fantastic riding and walking on Exmoor. Further enhancing this property is its stable block, outbuildings, 2-bedroom cottage, as well as the delightful farmhouse. It also is set within 7 acres of gardens and grounds. The property is immaculately presented throughout and offers the perfect blend of rural living with modern conveniences. The accommodation is flexible and further enhanced by this beautiful open-plan kitchen diner. The property is set within 7 acres of gardens and grounds and has a range of outbuildings that you can see from behind me. It also has the benefit of a 2-bedroom cottage, which could be for income potential or multi-generational living. If you'd like to know more about this fantastic opportunity, then please don't hesitate to contact us, as of course we would be delighted to hear from you.